How to change your language on Duolingo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on Duolingo. So, let's dive right in. Open up a Duolingo app, go to the course option in the top left of the home page, and now tap on the plus icon. Now you can see for English speaker. Now if you're any other speaker than English, you need to scroll down, and then you can see for Arabic speakers, and then you can see for Bengali speakers, for Chinese speakers. So you just need to tap on one of it, and then the interfaces language will be changed. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.